Looking for the top 5 best webcams of 2025? Whether you're a streamer, podcaster, content creator, or just need a reliable webcam for Zoom, Teams, or remote work, this video has got you covered. From crystal clear 4K streaming to top-notch microphones for video conferencing, we've reviewed the best options for every setup, be it for your MacBook, PC, or even VTubing. Say goodbye to blurry calls and hello to professional quality video. Ready to upgrade your webcam game? Watch till the end to find your perfect match. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more tech reviews. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite 4K webcam stands out as a premium option in the top 5 best webcams of 2025. Designed for versatility, it boasts a 1/2-inch sensor, delivering stunning 4K resolution at 60 FPS, ensuring vibrant and sharp visuals. Whether you're hosting a Zoom meeting, live streaming on Twitch, or recording content for YouTube, the AI-powered tracking with PTZ, pan-tilt zoom, functionality keeps you perfectly framed even as you move. Its gesture control is a game-changer, allowing you to start/stop recording or adjust the camera with simple hand movements, adding convenience for streamers and professionals. The built-in HDR enhances video quality in tricky lighting, making it ideal for dimly lit spaces or bright office settings. Plus, dual noise-canceling microphones ensure clear audio, essential for video calls and online collaboration. With its plug-and-play setup, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite is compatible with PCs, laptops, and Macs, making it versatile for various platforms, including Zoom, Teams, and Skype. Whether you're a content creator or a remote worker, this webcam excels in providing professional-grade visuals and audio. If you're looking for a smart, high-performing webcam, this OBSBOT model deserves your attention. The EMEET Nova 4K webcam offers outstanding performance and is an excellent choice among the top 5 best webcams of 2025. Its Ultra HD 4K resolution and PDAF autofocus deliver unparalleled clarity, ensuring you're always sharp and in focus during video calls or live streams. Designed for high-end business meetings and streaming, the EMEET Nova features dual noise-canceling microphones, providing crisp and professional-grade audio quality. The 73 degrees field of view strikes a balance, keeping the focus on you while minimizing distractions in the background. Auto light correction ensures superior image quality, even in low-light conditions. With its privacy cover, you can ensure your security when the webcam is not in use. The USB plug-and-play functionality makes setup a breeze, and it works seamlessly with Zoom, Teams, Skype, and other popular platforms. Whether you're presenting in a business meeting or live streaming on YouTube, the EMEET Nova delivers consistent, high-quality performance. The Insta360 Link 2 webcam is another top-tier choice in the top 5 best webcams of 2025, designed for professionals and creators alike. Its 4K resolution, powered by a 1/2-inch sensor, ensures detailed, vibrant visuals for streaming, video calls, and gaming. The standout feature is its AI tracking with PTZ capabilities, which keeps you centered in the frame even as you move. Gesture control adds a layer of convenience, letting you adjust settings or activate functions with simple hand motions, perfect for busy professionals or multitasking streamers. The HDR support ensures clear, balanced lighting in any environment, while the AI noise-canceling microphone provides crystal-clear audio. This webcam is compatible with PCs, Macs, and platforms like Zoom, Teams, and Twitch. If you're looking for a webcam that combines innovation and practicality, the Insta360 Link 2 is a must-have. The NexiGo N6010 80p webcam offers a budget-friendly yet feature-rich option among the top 5 best webcams of 2025. With 1080p resolution, it delivers crisp and vibrant visuals, making it perfect for Zoom calls, Skype meetings, and Teams collaboration. Its adjustable field of view lets you customize how much of your space is visible, while the built-in privacy cover ensures peace of mind when the camera is not in use. The dual microphones provide decent sound quality, ideal for video conferencing and casual streaming. The NexiGo N60 also features easy plug-and-play setup via USB, making it simple to use across different devices. For those seeking a reliable and affordable webcam with essential features, the NexiGo N60 is a great choice. Rounding out the top 5 best webcams of 2025, the Anker PowerConf C200 strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Its 2K resolution provides sharper visuals than standard HD webcams, ensuring you look your best on video calls, webinars, or streams. The adjustable field of view lets you choose between close-up or wide-angle shots, catering to personal or group settings. AI noise-canceling microphones and stereo sound deliver clear audio, making it ideal for professional meetings and podcasting. Low light correction enhances video quality in dim environments, while the built-in privacy cover ensures security when the webcam is off. With plug-and-play simplicity, the Anker PowerConf C200 works seamlessly with PCs, laptops, and popular platforms like Zoom, Teams, and YouTube. It's a versatile and dependable choice for work or play.